Now we are going to see Introduction to Accounting. In that we are going to see about accounting cycle. Accounting cycle means steps involved in the accounting process. Accounting cycle, it starts with the identification and recording of financial transactions of an organization and ends with the preparation of final account. The cycle continues for the next year also with the opening balance of the assets and liabilities, which are the closing balance of the preceding year. Accounting cycle means steps involved in the accounting process. So it starts by recording the transactions, financial transaction, and ends when we prepare the final account. The final account, it shows the current year closing balance, which will be the next year opening balance. Accounting cycle. First one is identifying transactions and journalizing. The first step is accounting process is identifying the financial transaction. So all the monetary transactions, they are recorded in the books of original entry, that is called journal. So recording the transaction is called journalizing. So entries are made on the basis of the source documents in the chronological order. Next one, we can say that posting into ledger. That is transferring the journal to the ledger is called posting. So entries are made in the each account after classifying. Next one is preparation of trial balance. So the list of a ledger balance, namely the trial balance is the next step. So on the basis of the ledger balance, the financial statement is prepared. That is the trial balance. Fourth one is the trading account. So all the direct revenues and the direct expenses, they are transferred to the trading account. So the balance of the trading account is transferred to the profit and loss account. Next one is the preparation of profit and loss account. So in this profit and loss account, indirect revenues and indirect expenses along with the gross profit or gross loss, they are transferred to the profit and loss account. So the balance in the profit and loss account, we may get net profit or net loss. So this net profit or net loss is transferred to the balance sheet. That's a final stage of our account. A statement which shows the balance of assets and the liability is the last step, final step. Yes, on the particular date, normally on the last day of the accounting period, it will be prepared. So the closing balance of the accounting year will be the next year's opening balance. So the transactions, they are identified and recorded for the next year. Thank you, students.